Good morning. This is Ginny from Learnwithginny.com. That's where you can find more free training. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel where I have a whole series of these how-tos, and I'm going to keep going until who knows. So today the question is, where do I put all my promotions materials, my links, and my copy so that I can easily access it on my phone on the run and go promote, like when I'm waiting in line at the pharmacy, or it's the pitcher's warming up at my son's baseball game, and I'm not visiting with the moms at that moment, so because I'm getting ready to take pictures, I'm the camera mom. So if I want to promote on the run, I got to have things handy on my phone so I can easily copy and paste and go. So I'm going to show you how I do that. I use Google Docs. I'm sure you can do this in other documents. As long as you can access them on your phone, that's what you want. So let me share my screen. And you can feel free to leave a comment. I will come back and answer your questions or say hi. So this is my campaign document, and honestly, I need to organize it a little bit better. For example, this top one doesn't have I'm going to insert a title here, because if I put in a heading like this promotion is for ebooks, a free ebook training. I'll just put ebook. See what happens? It shows up on this left side of the screen, all the headings. See, this is another one that I made, DMOs, and how, get your DMO. That's one I like to use a lot. So I didn't necessarily put headings on every single one, but I did put them on the ones that I was using a lot. Now, my latest ones were all videos, so I did not, I was in a hurry. See, there you go. This one was how to repurpose your live videos. So I can add a title in here and it'll show up. Heading. I use headings, not titles. I know in Microsoft Word, if you have Office 365, I think they're called styles, and I think that's where you put heading. So there. So that's it, really. And then I copy my links in here, whatever links they are. These are YouTube links, and up here, these are my campaign links from the training system that I promote. So, my stories one, I like to have easy access to that one, because learning to craft my story made all the difference. So I'm just going to put a title there too, so I can easily grab it. See, I needed to do this anyway, so I might as well show you. Storytelling training. I'll just say storytelling, because I know this is my campaign document. Now, when I'm on my phone and I start to scroll, I suppose I could show you. I open up documents and campaigns. Now it's on dark mode, but if I start to scroll, this little scrolling thing comes up, and when I grab it, I don't know if you can see that, but when I grab it with my finger, all of the titles pop up, and I can grab one of those and go right to it, all the headings. There. So then I can copy and paste on the run. Now my photos that I use in those promotions, I can stop sharing my screen now. The photos I use, the pictures I use in those campaigns are all in Canva. And even if they were in stencil, I'm sure I could do the same. I download it on because I have the app on my phone. So I download the image, and it's in my Canva folder on my phone. So when I go to grab the photo, I can easily find those too. So very easy to organize your promotions. That's it. Make it a great day. I'll see you next time. Oh, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you check out my website if you want to work with me. Okay? See you later.